Welcome. Smart Learning Suite Online transforms your lessons with game-based activities, formative assessments, and student collaboration to enhance learning on any device. Choose from a great collection of game and quiz-based activities and activity templates that support student-led inquiry, critical thinking, increased engagement, and collaborative learning. You can choose the best way to engage and guide students for any given topic by having them connect to your lesson and participate individually on their own device or collaboratively with peers. Quickly survey and guide student work in real time to capture important teachable moments, or deep dive on individual saved student progress after a lesson to plan for the next class. To experience all that Smart Learning Suite Online has to offer, jump into the Getting Started file and give it a test drive.